This is the IELTS Speaking mock test taking place at IELTS Training Hub. The candidate is Maloney. Candidate number 017854728. The examiner is David Miller. Examiner number 158874. Good afternoon. My name is David Miller. I'll be your examiner today. Could you tell me your full name, please?
Good afternoon. My name is Maloney Paker.
Thank you, Maloney. Can I see your identification, please?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Now, in part 1, I'm going to ask you some questions about daily routines and time management. Are you usually on time?
Mostly, yes. I try to be on time, but sometimes, because of traffic or too much work, I become late.
Do you think being late is bad?
Yes, I think it is not good because people may get angry or disappointed if someone is late all the time.
What do you do when you are late?
Usually I call or message the person and say sorry. I don't like making people wait.
Why are many people late nowadays?
I think because life is very busy now. Also, traffic is a big problem in cities.
Thank you. Now let's move to part 2. You will have to talk about the topic for 1 to 2 minutes. You have 1 minute to think about what you're going to say and make some notes if you wish. Here is a pencil and paper for making notes. Here is your topic/card. All right, your time is up. You can start speaking now.
Okay, so one time when I was very late was last year when I had an important college presentation. The presentation was in the morning, around 9 o'clock, and I left my home on time. But on the way, there was a very big traffic jam because of a road accident. I was sitting in the bus and feeling very stressed because my phone battery was also low. I could not contact my teacher properly. When I finally reached college, I was around 25 minutes late. My classmates already started the presentation without me. My teacher looked a little upset, but luckily she still allowed me to speak at the end. I felt really embarrassed and nervous because everyone was waiting and looking at me. My heart was beating very fast. After that day, I started leaving my home earlier whenever I have something important. So yes, that was a time when I was late and felt very uncomfortable.
Thank you. Now let's move to part 3. Do you think people are busier today than in the past?
Yes, I think people are more busy now because they have work, studies, and many responsibilities. Life is faster today.
Is it important to be on time?
Yes, definitely. Being on time shows respect and good manners. It also makes people trust you more.
What problems can happen if people are late?
People can miss important things like meetings, classes, or trains. Sometimes others also get angry or disappointed.
How can people avoid being late?
I think people should plan earlier, wake up on time, and leave home a little early, especially in big cities with traffic.
Thank you, Maloney. That is the end of the speaking test.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks for watching this Band 9.0 IELTS Speaking mock test. Subscribe to IELTS Training Hub for more IELTS Speaking cue cards and mock tests.